Now, when it comes to lung sounds, there's really only three lung sounds. If you have gook in the big airways, that's bronchi. If you listen typically in the bigger airways, you hear this gooky, roncorous-like noise that suggests gook in the big airways like bronchitis or an acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis. If you hear crackles or rales, that's fluid at the alveolar level, and that's typically like water, like CHF or pus, pneumonia. And if you hear wheezing, that typically represents reversible airway disease such as asthma, COPD, or possibly RSV in children. Hey folks, my name is John Blitzky. Thanks for watching. Maximize your studies. If anything I teach you on these clinical videos work, please teach a colleague. Teach a colleague them. Apply them, grow, learn, and pay it forward. Thanks for watching.